What's up, guys? And today is another YouTube video. As you just now saw from the intro part, well, from the beginning, we're working with BBs today, and we're also working with this.
By the way,
It's a BB gun made in China,
but
plastic,
yeah, it's fake.
filled with BBs.
Hold up, turn it back like this. Yeah. Wait, count how much it is so we don't lose count.
Nah, it's fine.
No.
So it's me and my sister Haley here. And so today we're just gonna be
I'm the
shooting
camera person.
We're just gonna be shooting things and see what the damage does.
First thing, let me go bring it.
Okay. Okay, guys. So Haley doesn't know, but we're prank her. All right, you ready?
Yeah, give me the camera. So we're destroying his top. Put it like, no, that's first. We're destroying his. Don't worry, guys. It's not inside. It's the box from the case.
Also,
Yes.
guys, sorry for all the noise.
It's just we live next to the train tracks. Look.
Where you going, Haley?
Showing them the train. Look, sorry, we just live next to the train tracks. I won't. We just live next to the train. That's all. Sorry, you guys can't see our address.
All right, guys. I'll get back to you guys when it's time for us to
Now you can let them see.
start shooting. Okay, so first one is the box right there. First, we're gonna get a up close shot. All right, ready, Haley?
Alright.
Record this. It's gonna be crazy.
Hold on, we're gonna set it up.
Haley, want a close shot or not close?
Put it in front of the camera.
Okay.
I can't even hold it because I'm really good.
All right. You ready?
You know I got it. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera.
Close shot first.
All right. I'm just gonna zoom in so I don't have to get close.
You
Here we
ready?
go.
Oh, come look at the damage.
Wait, hold up.
Let me see.
Right there.
There it is. Move your finger. It's right
There.
there.
Right here.
That's it.
All right.
Now far
Now
damage.
far close, not far away.
Alright, you ready? Boom! Alright, you ready? I'm gonna try to hit right there.
Don't hit me! Don't go behind me.
Alright, you ready?
Yes. It was this.
Oh my god, guys.
Right here,
Look.
damage. You can't even see it.
Right there, see that little dent? Alright. Next up, besides the box. Alright.
Hold up, can I go show them all the at the end, okay?
Okay.
Ew.
Get that box out of here.
Now I'm gonna go find another thing.
Okay.
Just
Go find something.
Alright.
Will I be on the hammock? Alright, guys. So, Haley does not know. Should I shoot her? Should I shoot her? Should I shoot her? I'm thinking about saying I accidentally shot her. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Alright, guys. It's gonna be funny. Yep, just on the hammock. Ooh. Oh, pop, pop, pop. Look, guys, it's fake. Whenever you know that we have a orange tip. Alright. Oh yeah, look, there's my sniper. Not BB gun. Nerf gun. Yeah. Alright, we're going up to wood. Alright, record this.
Well, I gotta carry it all the way.
No, you don't.
I was just.
Alright, you ready? Look, guys, that's what we're gonna try to do. Look how thick that is. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Why is it still unzoomed?
Kel's leaving.
Where's she going?
It's her friends. No, Haley. Get that over here. Get that over here.
Sister's leaving, but okay.
Alright, you ready?
Where you going, Kella? Alright.
You ready?
Oh, dang. Look. I made that little scratch right there.
The little.
Okay.
Right,
Wait, no, it made this. It made this.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
Alright, you
Well, it
ready,
made-
Haley? Back up.
It made.
Back up, Haley.
It made
Haley, get out the way.
this. Okay.
Get more towards me. Like right there. So you can get it right there, so you can get a good shot.
All right, yeah, it's good.
Actually, a little bit closer to the board. There.
Ellie!
Thank you! Let's see the damage.
Ow!
Want to see the... Ah! Let's see the damage.
No!
They dared me. Alright. Alright, guys. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, bye.